Welcome to the course Project Management Process Groups. My name is Pragya. I'd like to take this moment and talk about the goal of the course. To start with, we need to understand the importance of project management. Project management helps every part of the business run more efficiently and effectively. When done correctly, it enables leadership to plan and manage the project so that every objective is completed on time and within budget. There are 5 process groups: initiating process group, planning process group, executing process group, monitoring controlling process group, closing process group. These are known as the PMBOK, Project Management Body of Knowledge Process Group. The PMBOK process groups are designed to help you plan your entire project from start to finish, leaving you with a comprehensive project management plan. Why do you need to have a good knowledge about them? The answer is very simple: because they help you improve your chances of achieving the desired result, gain a fresh perspective on your project. Also, they help you align your business strategy along with your project goal. They help you prioritize your business resources, and they even ensure everything is being used in an efficient manner. Everything is within a schedule and under a budget. Duration of this course will be 1 hour, and in this we will finish 5 modules. I hope to see you all in the course. Thank you.